In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer BNB from Trust Wallet over to Binance. So here we are inside of Trust Wallet. I'm sure you're all familiar with the Trust Wallet interface. What we're going to do, we're going to go out of Trust Wallet and we're going to open up here Binance. So go ahead and open the Binance app on your phone. So make sure you have access to your account and you can find your wallets. Now what we need to do, we need to go ahead and find our BNB address. Now if this screen on the home screen looks a bit different, you're probably on Binance Lite. So I'll just switch to Binance Lite for this video. So here is Binance Lite, which you're probably familiar with. So now what we need to do, we need to find BNB. Now to do that, go to the wallet icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you should see all of your different assets. Now you can go ahead and search for BNB if you can't find it here. So I'm searching for it and here it is. We can now click on that. And we can now go ahead and click on the yellow deposit button because we're depositing BNB into our account. Now go ahead and choose Binance Chain BEP2. And now you're going to be given a wallet address and a memo. So we are going to need to copy both of these. So you can only copy one at a time. So go ahead and first copy the wallet address. Now we've got that copied, we can go back into Trust Wallet. Once we're here, we can find BNB, click on BNB, click on Send, and then enter in the recipient address. To do that, you can hold down and click paste or just simply click on paste. Now we need to go back into BNB. We need to copy our BNB memo and then again go back to Trust Wallet, paste in that memo here. Once you've done that, you can then enter in how much BNB you want to send. You can send the maximum amount or enter in a number. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and click send. It will bring up a window which looks like this. Make sure you're happy with that. You're happy with the fee. You can then click send and then your BNB will be sent to Binance.